Namaskar, welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In today's headlines, new water policy of Rourkela steel plant released by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP. Awards presented by Rourkela steel plant to outstanding students of Rourkela. And program on electrical safety and Indian electrical rules commences at CPTI. And now the news in detail. The new water policy of SAIL Rourkela steel plant was released by Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO, in a meeting held at the HRD Center on 16th August 2019. It is worth mentioning here that, in line with the ongoing nationwide Jal Shakti Abhiyan, SAIL is observing the month of August as the Water Conservation Month. Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. Gautam Banerjee, ED Works, Mr. D.K. Mahapatra, EDMM, and many other senior officers were present on the occasion. Water is the most indispensable raw material in the production process of an integrated steel plant like Rourkela steel plant. Keeping in view its importance and its growing scarcity, the plant has been making consistent efforts to reduce the consumption of water in its various units and eliminate wastage. As a result of this, the specific water consumption of the steel plant has come down from 5.13 cubic meters per ton of crude steel in 2008-9 to 3.65 cubic meters per ton of crude steel in 2018-19. It is worth mentioning here that the revised target of CREP, that is the Corporate Responsibility for Environmental Protection, is 4.8 cubic meters per ton of crude steel for flat product steel plants. The steel plant is now targeting at achieving specific water conservation of 2 cubic meters per ton of crude steel, which is the international benchmark, by implementing a zero liquid discharge project. The project envisages recycling and reusing the entire amount of water that the plant consumes. A multi-dimensional approach is being adopted to achieve this objective. In this direction, to start with, the entire amount of input water for the upcoming new hot strip mill will be sourced from the lagoon, and there will be zero discharge thereafter. Mrs. Mekon Limited, Ranchi, has been engaged as a consultant for gainfully utilizing the treated water back in the steel plant. Plants are also afoot to recycle and reuse 30 million litre per day township sewage water as plant make up water by setting up a sewage treatment plant in the township and supplying treated water for use in the plant. Besides, a number of initiatives are being taken on a regular basis to conserve water. Rainwater harvesting systems have also been installed in various parts of the plant and the township to recharge the groundwater table. Fixing of float valves in overhead storage tanks of township quarters is also in progress to check overflowing of water. The meritorious students of Rourkela City were awarded by Rourkela Steel Plant for their outstanding academic performance in various Class 10 and Class 12 board examinations at the Grand Independence Day function organized at Ispat Stadium on 15th August. Mr. Deepak Chatraj, CEO RSP, presented the Best Academic Performance Award for the academic session 2019 to 12 students for excelling in various board examinations in Class 10 and Class 12. Under the Best Academic Performance Award in the Class 10 category, Ankita Sunani of Chinmay Vidyalaya Sector 7 bagged the Toppers Award for HSC exam conducted by BSc Odisha. In ICSE exam conducted by CISCE New Delhi, Sakshi Prasad of St. Joseph's Convent School, Jayesh Nayak and Sobhansri Shahu of IEMS Sector 20 emerged as joint toppers. Divyam Gupta of Delhi Public School Sector 14 topped the AISSE exam conducted by CBSE, New Delhi. Similarly, in the 10+2 category under Council of Higher Secondary Education Board Odisha, Rajkishore Tripathi of Science stream from Government Autonomous College Panposh, Muskan Khatun of Arts stream from SG Women's Junior College Sector 2 and Jyoti Gupta of Commerce stream from Municipal College Rourkela received the award. The students of Delhi Public School Sector 14 secured the highest aggregate in Class 12 CBSE board in all the three streams, that is Science, Arts and Commerce. They were Shri Priya Agarwal, Anvesha Subhadarshani and Anirudh Bhajika respectively in the order of stream. For ISC board, students from Chinmay Vidyalaya, English medium, who excelled both in Science and Commerce stream, were Ayush Sahu and Ankur Tulsian respectively. Dipsa Mohanty, who excelled in arts, is from Carmel School, Hamirpur. Each of the students was given award consisting of cash award of Rs 10,000 and a certificate of merit. A 2-day program on electrical safety and Indian electrical rules was held at CPTI Rourkela Steel Plant on 16th and 17th August. Executives in the level E0 to E5 from Rourkela Steel Plant, Bokaro Steel Plant and Bhilai Steel Plant attended the program. The sessions focused on behavioral safety in electrical operation and maintenance systems. The related topics covered were importance of electrical safety, Indian electricity rules, electrical protective devices and their impact on safety, various earthing system, shutdown procedure and safety rules pertaining to maintenance of electrical equipments and static electricity and arc flash hazards and remedial measures. Various firefighting practices in electrical installations were also covered. Site visit was also arranged for the participants for gaining first-hand knowledge about the theoretical inputs. The sessions were conducted by in-house faculty from different departments. The program was coordinated by Mr. P.K. Raut, Senior Manager CPTI and Mr. S.K. Nayak, Senior Instructor CPTI. And that's all for today from our news desk. Namaskar.